Hi guys, welcome to the Guyana Marriott Hotel Georgetown. We're at the Taramari restaurant and we'll be filming with their executive chef, Chef Caesar.
Hello everyone, Ashley. Today I will prepare a veggie fettuccine pasta. The ingredients are garlic, onion, basil, tomato, filetto, olives, Parmesan cheese, butter and tomato sauce. Obviously the fettuccine pasta, salt and pepper and olive oil. Now we start to prepare the veggie fettuccine pasta, but it's not a regular veggie fettuccine pasta because our secret is increase the flavor. How? That's way. Add the olive oil first. Heat the pan. Very hot. After that, add the garlic. When you add the garlic, spread it all the pan. In this moment, you like the color? Can you see the color? It's brown, no? In this moment, add the tomato. That plant added a singular flavor to our pasta. Basil, onion, and olives. You can see it's separate the ingredients now, but with this process we added a nice flavor. Roasted the tomato with garlic, olives, and onion. In this moment we can add our tomato sauce. All the ingredient flavor added in our sauce. Slow move it. In this moment, a little of pepper, salt, obviously the pasta. When you add the pasta, down the temperature of the stew and mix it properly, slow, and the pasta start to reheat. Smell the flavor. It's very interesting. It's not a regular veggie pasta. Added the cheese again. Okay, we start to plate it. Our fettuccine veggie pasta. Our secret is before you plate it, do some rounds of the pasta for nice presentation in the plate. Smelling very well. Put all the pasta in the middle. And the top, the sauce. With all the ingredients for more juicy, more tasty. Hello, Ashley. Welcome to Taramari restaurant.
Thank you.
Today we have a veggie pasta.